Good morning, Your
People
Honor.
versus Bryant Brown.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
Good morning, Vanessa Hamilton, P82107, on behalf of Mr. Brown, who joins us from Wayne County Jail via Zoom.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. My understanding is that you're asking for an exam on this. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. I don't believe I have digital discovery for
Yeah,
this one.
I don't set exams unless you have everything. So do you want me to adjourn it a week?
Yes, then I guess it'll need to be adjourned.
Your Honor, I
Michelle,
have made, oh, I'm sorry.
go ahead, Miss Bailey.
Just for the record, Your Honor, I have requested the digital discovery, and I will get it over to Ms. Hamilton as soon as possible. You do have paper though, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Do you 1 week, 2 weeks, your choice?
1 week is
1
fine.
week.
That's fine. That's fine. Michelle, what's the date? 1 week.
1 week.
No. Mr. Brown, I'm asking my secretary. Is it 10 a.m. on? Or no, it's gotta be
October 5th.
8:30. He's in
Oh,
custody.
yeah, that's right. 8:30. Yeah.
It'll be the 3rd.
What?
Oh,
It's actually the 5th, but Mr. Brown, just let
tried.
us figure the date out. Don't worry about it.
I tried.
So October the 5th at 8:30.
In front
Yeah.
of Judge Martin.
Yes, that's
Okay.
possible.
Okay. All right. Officer, you're all set with Mr. Brown. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You and your staff have a wonderful day.
You too. And then on People versus Scott Poor. We have Mr. Poor on.
Present.
And Ms. Hamilton, what are we doing on this?
This is the same thing. I do have paper discovery, but I'll need digital and I guess adjourn the PCC date.
Same date.
Same day is fine. Yeah.
All right. Although he's not in custody, so Michelle, is it
9:15 we can do.
Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
October 5th at 9:15? It's going to be with Judge Martin, Mr. Poor. So you're gonna if you don't get the notice ahead of time, you can go on our website and go through the portal to go to Judge Martin's. Okay.
Thank you.
At 9:15. Do you understand?
Yep.
All right. You're all set for today then.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then Ms. Hamilton, we're waiting on Devin Sutton.
Yes.
And what are we doing on the Sutton case?
That'll be the same thing, adjourned for
Okay.
digital discovery.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I am working on requesting all of this digital discovery. It sometimes
Thank
takes
you.
time.
Yeah, no, I haven't had a chance to reach out to Miss Bailey, so it's definitely no fault of hers.
Mhm.
Oh, shoot. Bryn, you know what I don't have is a docket. Can't believe I didn't copy it. Is that an extra though? Is that an?
It's not an extra, but
I wonder if
Good morning, Miss Michon.
Good morning.
Which cases are you here on today?
I have one matter and it's Mr. Hughart who is on the line and it's a
Perfect.
PCC.
Okay,
And we do not have discovery and I've already spoken with my dear prosecutor about the case. So we are ready to go.
and we're just adjourning it?
Please and thank you.
A short adjournment while I investigate.
Miss Michon, do you want 1 week or 2?
1 week, Jane? Okay.
Yeah.
1 week then.
Is it
Okay,
August 5th? I mean, just October 5th?
yeah, and I missed it. I guess I have one at 8:45. Would you like 8:45, Miss Michon?
That would be perfect.
In front of Judge Martin.
I'm so sorry. Which one was this one?
Hugert.
Hugert, I'll tell you about that in a second. Ms. Michon called me last night. Did you see my chat, Michelle?
You gotta give me a second. I'm doing 3 things.
Okay, I understand totally. I just want to make sure you saw it.
No, but I'll look. Okay, Mr. Hugert,
Yes, ma'am.
you're all set. We're gonna adjourn this to October 5th at 8:45 a.m. and that's in front of Judge Lisa Martin. And I'll send out notice today.
And I'll send you the Zoom number.
Pardon me,
Yeah.
I lost the signal, ma'am. It was October 5th that you adjourned to?
Yes, sir. October 5th, 8:45, Judge Martin, and I'll send you the Zoom meeting number, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning.
Which
Sorry.
ones are you're good. Who are you on?
I'm George Belinsky and Patrick Anderson. Could I have a breakout room with Bren?
Yeah. Jean, I just don't know how I'd get that to you. I can't leave because I'm running Zoom.
Can one of the court officers come up?
Yeah, if they can come up here and make a copy, tell them to grab Bren's and make a copy of it.
Okay.
They can bring it in here or something.
I'll be right back.
Good morning, Mr. Gazicki.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, okay.
Which one are you here on? Someone just took my
I'm
docket,
here
so.
on Attard, Matthew Attard,
Okay,
and I have not had a chance to talk to him. He got released from jail before I had my visit. So if I
okay.
can go in the breakout room with him.
We would
and
have
the
to have
press-
him here. He's not here yet.
Oh, you're gonna have him there? Oh, okay.
No, on Zoom. He's not on Zoom.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
see
All
him.
right. Okay.
So
I'll
as
be
soon as he gets
patient.
here, we'll look for him.
Okie doke. Who's the prosecutor today?
Jane Gillis and Bryn Bailey.
Okay. All right. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Good morning, Jeff. What are you here for?
I'm here on a Jalen McKinney at 9 o'clock. Pretrial, drop license suspended.
Okay.
I'll need a minute with Bryn or Jane or whoever's.
Jane's doing them, but I don't know where she stepped away for a minute.
Nice to see Jane again.
Mm-hmm. Jane and Jeff, I can put you guys in a breakout room so you can talk.
Thank you, Michelle.
What are we doing in your case, Sophia?
So I have two.
Yeah,
I need to have a breakout room with Mr. Anderson to confirm, but I believe we're setting that for an exam.
I'm not sure if he's ever got logged on. Let me check. He kept getting, I saw he was trying to log on. Oh, yeah, he doesn't have audio. They're working on it.
Okay.
So who's your other one?
Mr. Valens,
Yep,
Pleasant.
he's here.
Yep, I know, I see. And we're setting that for an adjourned PCC.
Okay, let me give you that date. How long do you want? 1, 2 weeks?
Let me look at my
2 might be best. We got some stuff to look
2?
into, and that might take some time with my office.
I can do October 12th at 8:45.
Which
The problem
case is
is
that? Which
I'm-
case is that?
Blazinski.
Okay.
I'm out that week of the 10th, so can we set it for the week of the 17th?
We can. That's in front of Judge Oakley. That's live in the building.
Hmm. Okay. Can I get a breakout room with my client?
Sure. Good morning, Marie.
Morning. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good.
Remind me who your client is again. I wrote your name on it, but I can't.
Darren Reed.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
And I'm going to try to get discovery sent to me today. And I was wondering if we could adjourn it until the 12th with my other ones.
Yep. The 12th, at 8:45, or do you want later?
Let's see what time I'm doing my other ones. I'm doing my other ones at, yeah, no, that's fine.
Oh, there's
Okay.
Mr. Reed now. Mr. Reed's just logging on. Hold on.
Okay.
And I got to get him to, Heather real quick.
Okay.
Oh, he's already there. Heather grabbed him that fast. Okay.
Well, it's the 12th at 8:45, right?
Yeah, is that what you want?
Yeah, I might as well because I've got 2 other ones that morning. So
Okay. Okay.
who's the judge that morning?
Judge Martin.
Okay.
Michelle, can I get a date for an adjournment on that too? Because I'm waiting on discovery.
We need your client though, Mr. Kazicki.
Yeah, I'm aware of that. You can't give a date ahead of time?
I can, but it's not going to be adjourned unless he shows up.
Okay,
Just so you
okay.
know.
I'll just wait. I'll be patient.
Morning, Michelle.
Hello, Mr. Bitar.
Morning, Jeff.
Good morning, Dan.
Could you put me in with Bryn, please?
It's a misdemeanor. You're going to Jane.
Oh, okay.
She's got somebody in there right now. Give me a second, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Miss Hamilton, your client's here now. Mr. Sutton. Okay, Murray, there's your client. Mr. Reed is with us, so we're adjourning your case to October 12th at 8:45.
Who's my prosecutor, if you know, on the file?
Bryn Bailey.
And the first name on that, I didn't recognize that.
Bryn.
Bryn.
She's been our prosecutor for a while.
Yeah. I don't-
BRYN.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And we'll send out notice and that's in front of Judge Martin.
Understood. Thank you. Thank you, Darren.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, back to Vanessa. You want to talk? Do you need a breakout room with your client, Mr. Sutton? Are you ready?
No, I've already spoken to him.
And what are we doing?
We're going to be adjourning for digital discovery.
Okay, so I can give you that date. 1 or 2 weeks?
1 week will be fine if, assuming that Miss Bailey can get it together like the other ones.
Let me see where she's at. She's not in there. Jane, can you make sure she gets digital discovery on Sutton?
Is it a misdemeanor or felony?
Felony.
I'll be
Okay, I'll
sending
tell
her
Brent.
an email as well, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So October 5th at 8:30.
Sounds good.
Does Bryn have your, Vanessa, does Bryn have your email?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're in communication. I'm gonna send her an email right after this.
Yeah, okay, because.
Okay, Jane, I need to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Batar.
Okay, I worked out those other 2 cases.
Good job. Okay, you can just rejoin where you were. Do you know how to do that?
Yes, I do, but I also am gonna maybe send a court officer to come get those files for this afternoon. I'll do them right now.
Okay, but go.
I am trying to go in the.
Okay.
Thought I knew how.
Just look on breakout rooms and then click. Bryn, you're back. Vanessa Hamilton needs discovery on Sutton, digital.
I guess I didn't know what I was doing.
I'm working on requesting it.
Just go to breakout rooms and join it. Do you see it?
It
Here, I'll
gives me
move
a
it.
list of breakout rooms and it doesn't, I don't see my name.
All right, hold on. Good morning, Royce.
Good morning, Michelle. Do we know which prosecutor is on?
Jane is doing misdemeanors.
Okay, I need to talk to Jane.
Am I in the wrong place again?
No, Mr. Harris, just hang tight. I'm waiting for the prosecutor. I don't know what's going on with your case.
Okay. I just keep bouncing around. I have no idea what's going on.
Oh, no. I brought you out to the main session. You're fine. Just hang on. Division 2, Mr. Sutton, do you have an officer there or somebody?
Oh, yeah, he just walked away right now. He said he'll be right back.
Okay, because you're all set, because your case is next week at 8:30.
Okay. all right.
Okay, your attorney's trying to get information.
So my attorney trying to get information from the officer?
No, from the prosecutor. So that's why they're
Oh.
putting it over 1 week, okay?
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. I don't know how to exit out of it, so I guess.
That's
I just
okay.
put-
When the officer gets there, we can tell him.
Okay.
Royce, do you need to talk to Jane?
I see her in there with Dan Batar. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, you could jump in there, I'm
Jump in
sure.
and interrupt.
Can you ask her what she worked out for Mr. Harris?
Michelle,
Yes.
I actually can't come in on the 17th because I'm already in Frank Murphy at 8:30.
It wouldn't be the 17th, it would be the 19th.
Right, sorry, the
Oh,
19th.
that's okay. I'm like,
I have
wait,
a-
what?
I have 2 in-person matters that morning in Frank Murphy. Is it a problem to set it out to the 26th?
That's Judge Oakley again.
I can be there in person for that.
Okay. You have to give me a second because I didn't go out that far with my dates. I'm pretty sure that, oh, is he? Wait, who are we, which one are we talking about again?
Walensky.
He's out. Okay.
Yeah, he's out. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be suggesting that if he was.
No, I understand. I
Uh,
got too many things going at once. Yeah, what time? I get pretty much open morning. What time do you want to do?
8:30.
Oh, sure. Well, let's say 8:45, because I think they keep only in custody at 8:30.
Okay. And then can I get a
Yes,
breakout
October 26th.
with Mr. Anderson?
Yes.
Okay, that's
So
gonna
Mr.
be,
Blazinski, where'd he go?
he's probably stuck in the breakout room.
Oh, okay, maybe. See if I can get him out. Yeah. Okay, and then you want to breakout room with who?
Patrick Anderson.
Yes. So you can just rejoin where you were and I'll put Mr. Anderson in there. Is that okay?
Can I do that?
Yeah, just go to breakout rooms.
Got it.
Dan, are you ready on yours?
Yes, but we'll need Jane for it.
Okay, hold on a second. And then, Mr. Blazinski,
Yes.
you're all set. We adjourned your case to October 26th. That's live here at the court at 8:45 a.m. in front of Judge Oakley.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll send you a new notice.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need me to pull Mr. Anderson out?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get him. What are we doing on his case?
Setting it for exam.
And you have all discovery.
Yes.
Okay.
People versus Patrick Anderson.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
Ms. Nelson, my understanding is you want to set this for an exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have October 12th at 12:15.
I'm out of town that week.
November 2nd at 11 o'clock.
When is it? I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
11.
November the 2nd at 11 o'clock.
November 2nd at 11 o'clock?
Well, hold on just a second, Mr. Anderson. I think your attorney's trying to check her calendar.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
That works for
Okay.
me, Your Honor.
I thought
Okay,
you-
then, Mr. Anderson, it is going to be November 2nd at 11 o'clock, and that's live in front of me.
Okay.
And Your Honor, are we all set in Belinsky? We need to go on the record.
No, the adjournments, no, Michelle did several adjournments. We're good.
Okay, all right, thank you so much.
You were on the record. You were live and streaming. I just wasn't part of it.
All right, great, thank you.
All right, we'll see you then. Well, I'll see you before, probably.
I'm sure you will.
All right, thanks. Mr. Batard, did you say you were waiting on Jane for the Abbott case?
Good morning, Judge. Yes, I'm waiting for Jane.
Your Honor, so am I done here? November 2nd?
You are, November the 2nd at 11 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'll be there.
Yep.
Is this the court in Romulus or which court is it?
It is the court in Romulus.
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Humor me, Dan, and tell me what we're doing on Abbott, although we're waiting for Jane.
Judge, Abbott, it's a final pretrial. It's been up 2 other times, trying to get police reports. Jane is telling me that this is just a ticket, even though it's a reckless driving and there are no police reports. Or police reports.
Yeah, and that's a possibility. Some departments require a police report, others don't.
And I guess my point is, Judge, how do I properly advise and defend a client without knowing what the specific allegations are?
I mean, I don't know, but a ticket, a misdemeanor doesn't have to have a police report. So, I mean, it's not required by, you tell me where it's required by law and then we can have a conversation. You know, all driving on suspended misdemeanors don't have police reports. And that's a driving offense. You know, I can't make them make a police report. I can only make them give you the discovery.
And that's the thing, we don't know if there is any, and nobody's looked into it.
Well, they've said that there isn't. If you set it for a bench trial and someone appears and they tell something contrary, then you can ask for a motion to dismiss immediately.
Okay, well, what we'll do then.
You know what
why
I'm
don't-
saying?
Yeah, no, I get it. Why don't we,
And Your Honor, Bryn Bailey, on behalf of the people, I have appeared on this case prior. I have reached out and made requests. I've heard nothing back. Tickets, I have never had a police report for.
Right. Well, drunk driving tickets you do, so. That's not true. Yeah, and sometimes when it's other things, there are police reports. But I'm presuming, but that's the best way to deal with it, my opinion. I'm not telling you what to do, Dan. But my opinion is I would set it for a bench trial. And if they don't show up, it's a dismissal. If they show up and say there's a police report, you can, you know, motion that the discovery wasn't provided or, you know.
well, that's my problem is if I do set it for a bench trial, I would hope that there would still be some offer available because.
No, I'm sure that there, yeah, no, I understand. I think Miss Bailey, Miss Gillis is shaking her head.
There'd be an offer.
Okay, well, let's do that then. Let's set it for a bench trial, Judge.
Can we, are you suggesting live?
No, we can do it on Zoom.
10:45 on November 2nd.
10:45 on November 2nd is fine, Judge.
Is your client on here?
She is. Miss Abbott, are you on? I saw your name
Yes.
earlier.
I'm on here.
Okay.
Got that, Miss Bailey, 10:45 on November 2nd.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Thank you.
Jane, what are we doing for Mr. Harris's case?
Oh, he's gonna be driving, allowing unlicensed person to drive.
Okay, hold on a second.
Hang on 1 second. Which case is it?
Kevin Harris. He's representing.
Mr. Harris, do you understand that by pleading guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that you're giving up your rights to have a trial, or you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form? Mr. Harris, can you unmute yourself? You're not gonna
Hello?
have a trial, you're gonna plead to
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Is it true that somebody that wasn't properly licensed was driving a vehicle, your vehicle on August the 26th?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it was you. I understand it's sort of a misnomer. I understand.
Well,
that
it's
it was-
not my vehicle, it's my boss's vehicle.
Oh, okay. Someone was driving a vehicle that you were in.
Correct.
It is a $200 ticket and the state adds $145 for 345. Can you pay that within the week?
How much was that again?
345.
345. One week, you said?
Yep.
Okay, where do I pay this at
You
exactly?
can pay it at the 34th District Court. You can pay it online or you can mail it in.
Somebody called me?
Okay.
Oh, it's okay, okay, Tyler, that was you? Yeah. Oh,
Wait a minute here. Am I somewhere else now?
Are you good then?
Yeah, I could do all that. Do I need a number to send it to or
No,
anything?
you're gonna, just your name and birthday.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Glenn, I thought I saw,
this is Tuttles.
good morning, Mr. Tuttles.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, busy as usual.
Yeah, what case are you on, Mr. Tuttle? Oh, on
I'm on
McQueen?
McQueen.
Yeah, what are we doing on that case?
We're accepting a plea this morning.
Is your client on?
Yes.
All right, People versus Ferentino McQueen.
King Gillis on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Antonio D. Tuttles, on behalf of my client, that is Mr. Ferentino McQueen, who is physically not present in your courtroom. However, Mr. McQueen is present via Zoom. Mr. McQueen, can you state your name for the record, please?
Ferentino McQueen.
And what's the plea agreement?
Your Honor, I'll put the plea agreement on the record. We will drop count 1 down to OWI first, dismiss count 2, and count 3 will reduce to the civil infraction of carrying a weapon while under the influence. And that site is, I'm going to give it to you because it's kind of different. 28.425 K2C.
28.425.425.
I can't even read my own handwriting, but I think it's K2C. Or might just be
K2C. And what's the charge?
It's the civil infraction of
Yeah.
carrying a weapon. So it's the amount of alcohol you have is lowered.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it is
Do you
K2C.
do you understand, Mr. McQueen, by pleading guilty to these 2 counts that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice rights form?
Yes.
And is it true that on or about June the 19th of 2021, you were in the city of Belleville and you consumed alcohol before getting behind the wheel of the vehicle that you were driving?
Yes.
As a result of your consumption of alcohol, your ability to drive was substantially affected.
You said who?
That your ability to drive was substantially affected.
Yeah.
Did you take a breathalyzer?
Yes,
Okay, and you blew above the legal limit.
I believe so. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and that you had a weapon in the vehicle with you at that time.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand this plea?
Yes.
And is it voluntary?
Yes.
Anybody promise you or threaten you to get you to plead guilty in this matter?
No, ma'am.
I'll accept your plea. My probation department is going to send you an email with some paperwork that you're going to need to fill out and return to us. It's going to be links that you can click on that you're going to be able to go in and answer questions. Then she's going to reach out to you and have a conversation with you and do an interview, and then she's gonna write a report, send it to Mr. Tuttle's. We're gonna set a sentencing date, and I will see you at that point, and it'll be by Zoom, okay?
Okay, so when they send you the paperwork, is it physical or is like email?
It's gonna be a link, 2 links that you're gonna click on and answer questions.
Okay,
Okay, so look for that email, all right?
all right.
And we'll send you the dates. All right, Mr. Tuttles, we'll be in touch with the sentencing date.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate
You're
you.
welcome. Have a good day. Mr.
You as
Glenn,
well.
are you ready on Mr. Blake?
I don't see him on the Zoom, Your Honor, but I'm ready.
Oh, yeah, I just meant you're here on him.
Oh,
You've
yes.
got the competency report that he's competent.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
And so when he does appear, which you're right, we have to wait for him. What are we gonna do? What are we doing? Do you have all your discovery?
Yeah, sure. We're asking for an exam date.
Okay, well, let's pick one before he that shows up. I can do either October the 12th at 12:15 or November 2nd at 11:15.
I'll take November the 2nd.
All right. Okay, let's wait for him though, and then we'll figure it out. Mr. Nunley, are you ready on something?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready on Amani Minor.
People versus. Let me find the file, hang on. Amani Minor.
Royce Nunley on behalf of the defendant. At this time, Your Honor, we're just asking for an adjournment for a final pretrial where the victim must appear.
Michelle, give him a final pretrial date.
Does she appear by Zoom or by,
She appears by Zoom.
okay,
October 12th at 9:30.
I'm in person in Grosse Pointe Park, House Counsel there that day.
Okay, so I'm assuming 1 week. Can you do 1 week, or can we notify her and get her here in 1 week, or we
if
can
I
do,
don't get a hold of her, I have to send a subpoena.
so 10/19?
And I lied, Mr. Nunley. If it's 10/19, it goes to Judge Oakley and it's live.
I'm scheduled for his pretrials that day anyway,
Okay.
so I'm gonna be here.
Okay. So we
That's
can do
fine.
it the 19th. At what time, Michelle?
We can do it at 8:45, 9:15. Which one would you like? Doesn't matter because you'll be here.
Yep.
8:45.
Sure thing.
So Jane, make sure that your subpoena notices that it's live.
Okay. I'm sorry, you said 9:15, 10:15, I can't.
8:45.
8:45.
Got it. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Minor, you're all set. You'll be live in front of Judge Oakley on that date, okay?
Miss Imani?
Miss
Yeah, miss, I apologize.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Good morning, Mr. Shand.
Yes,
Good morning. Do you need to speak with the prosecutor?
yes, please.
Okay, Bryn,
Jane, you got a second? Can I borrow you? You gonna meet in room 11, Jane? You're muted.
Yeah, the one that says Nunley Meeting Room.
Royce, you might
Okay,
have to
yeah, we could do
move
that.
her. I don't think, oh, she is a co-host. Okay.
Yep, we go to Nunley meeting room. That's fine. See you
Okay.
there.
Mr. Gazicki, your client isn't scheduled till 9:45. That's probably why he's not here yet.
Okay, then I'll come back. All right. Or I'll just stick
Well,
around.
no, you
All
can
right.
wait. Sona's here, so you could talk to Sona if you want, the prosecutor.
Okay. Yeah, would you please?
Good morning, Sona.
Good morning. I'm here on a card.
Yep, and the
Okay.
attorney's here. Hold on a second.
Okay, perfect.
And Sona, you have a breakout room. If you want to move Mr. Gazicki, you guys can go talk.
We'll do it. Thank you.
Thanks. Mr. Shan, what are we doing in your case?
We are adjourning it out to November 2nd for us to write a letter to Gary Brasnahan to see if we can get a diversion for our client.
Mr. Shan, before we get that adjourned date, he hasn't, or she, excuse me, she hasn't been arraigned on these files. Do you waive the formal reading?
We will waive formal reading of the charges and the defendant will stand mute.
I'll do a $10,000 personal bond on both files. Michelle, did you figure out what we're doing with those misdemeanors?
There's a sheet on your front. I believe they're set for October 6th.
Your client, are you gonna lift the bench warrants though?
Yeah, I have to talk to Heather.
Yeah, they're your client on October the 6th in front of Judge Martin at 8:50. So she
We've
needs to appear on the date. We're negotiating, those are set for like a bench warrant arraignment right now, so they're having a conversation about pulling the warrants or what we're doing with them. But what's the adjourn date? What's the adjourn date on these, Michelle?
He indicated he wanted November 2nd. So I can do pretty much any time 9:15 on November 2nd. Is that good?
That would be fine with us.
And that'll be Zoom with Judge Green again.
So, Your Honor, we're trying to get, we've got an unusual situation here because Sandra's been sober since September 20th, 2018. She went through the farm and then she's been.
What's the deferral that you're trying to, what are you trying to get?
We're trying to get her into your sobriety court.
Yeah, you gotta get my permission too. I don't care
I
what
know.
Gary says. So if he says yes, then you're gonna have to go through our process. But the November 2nd for the first process, if you get I would appreciate it if you get a consent from Gary, Gary ahead of time. I would appreciate it if you reached out to us, because then if we can have your client reviewed by my probation department before the November 2nd date, we can streamline it. Otherwise, if we wait until November 2nd, and if you have the consent of the prosecutor's office, we're gonna have to adjourn it again, because we won't take the plea until probation talks to her and make sure that she's a fit for us.
Yeah, and we've had people in your sobriety court before and it's been unbelievably successful. So we know how to.
Who did you have?
I had Austin Miles. You actually asked him to come and talk to your juvenile court. And he is now a big time music producer in Ann Arbor and doing
Oh,
really,
good.
really well. But we've had people go through your court before and have done really, really well. So
Yeah, I
think
had
it's-
somebody last week that was trying to take a plea. That's why I raised it with you. I had somebody last week that tried to take a plea and enter into our sobriety court. And I said, no, that's not the way it works. We have to make sure that they check our boxes before we let you do that. All right, well, good. Then let us know if you get something ahead of time and we'll work it out. Okay?
That'd be wonderful. Thank you, Your Honor.
Perfect. You're all set for today. Yep. Thanks.
Take care.
You have a great day.
Hmm.
Hi, Jane. What are you doing here? You're muted.
I said, I know, right?
Are you back for good or just today?
I don't know, but I'm here the next couple weeks.
Oh, okay. Good to see ya.
Sona,
Yes.
I did get your email, hon, on Mr. Moses. I didn't request it a second time. I did receive it, but I wasn't, Mr. Hatley stepped in for me yesterday and he
Oh,
made.
I'm aware. Yeah,
But-
he mentioned something about discovery, and I just wanted to make sure
Oh, yes,
that you
ma'am.
had it.
But I had it. But thank you. You're not going crazy. You did send it to me. Michelle, have we heard from a Mr. McKinney?
Nope.
Well, he was scheduled for 9. How much longer should I wait for him?
You can go, Mr. Bowditch.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks, everybody.
Sorry, I got booted off.
Oops.
Jane, can I borrow you?
Yes, you may.
I got somebody in my meeting room. Can we go to like breakout room 10?
I can't see the little breakout room symbol.
Oh, no.
Royce, did you
I
speak to
can-
Mr. Bovitz?
Yes, I did.
Okay. What, are we adjourning or are we?
Yeah, adjourn for final pretrial.
Okay, can I just do that real quick?
Yep, for sure.
Do you want the same date that you got, have your other, or do you want?
Please.
So 9:15 on October 19th. And Mr. Bovitz sits here at the court in front of Judge Oakley. So it won't be on Zoom, it'll be here at the court.
Okay, 9:15.
Yep,
That's a final pretrial, right?
yep,
Okay. What was the October 18th?
19th. I'm gonna
19th.
send you a notice.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set. And then Maurice, what are we doing in McWhirter?
I'm gonna have to get back with you on that one. I
Okay,
haven't spoken to her yet.
that's
Okay.
fine. that's fine. Mr. Bovich, you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Glenn,
Yes, Your Honor.
no, it's me, Michelle, the clerk. If
Oh.
you want to chat me your cell phone, I can call you if he appears. If not, it's
Okay,
going to go in for a bench warrant.
Okay, that's perfect. I'll put it in the chat right now.
Okay, great.
And Michelle,
Yes,
did we handle Miss Cox?
we did.
Okay, the 2nd of November?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure that that's what Mr.
Yep.
Mr.
Yep.
Shields and I had discussed.
Got it, Mr. Glenn.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too. Mr. Gizicki, your client is present. He's in with the clerk right now confirming his information.
Hello?
Hold on, Mr. Attard, I see you.
Oh, there it goes.
Mr. Gizicki, what are we doing on his case? You're muted.
If I could have an opportunity to speak with him in a breakout room, we have
Sure.
not met yet.
Yep, give me a second. Go ahead and join those breakout rooms.
Michelle, you didn't call my case, right?
No, he just went in a breakout room
Oh,
with,
okay, okay. I just wanted to make sure. Sorry, I had stepped away for a sec.
What are we doing, Mr. Gazicki?
Asking for an adjournment so I can get discovery. I spoke with the prosecutor, indicated probably about, they can start sending it. So if I can get a week or two, we should be good.
Okay. Sona, do you need 1 or 2 weeks?
1 week. I
Oh.
have almost everything, and so I'm just waiting on a couple things from the police department.
Perfect. We can do October 5th at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Okay.
in front of Judge Martin.
All right. That's Zoom.
Correct.
Okay.
There's no possible way to hold the prelim in person?
If you have an exam, that will be in person, but the probable cause is on Zoom.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. All right. Have a good day then. We don't have to go on a record, do we?
Nope, you are on the record, and I'll send out new notice. I don't know if it'll get there within the week, but I'll try to send it out today. Okay.
I already got it marked down. Okay.
Okay.
Have a good one. Bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Michelle, I think that's it for me.
It is.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
Thanks, Sona.
We just need a new date on Mr. Golden for a final pretrial,
Okay, hold on a second.
but he hasn't been arraigned, so I think we may need to go on the record to arraign him.
They're not doing the arraignments on the misdemeanors.
It's a timing thing, Royce. It has to do with the case timing. So the arraignment pretrial is adjourned.
Okay.
So, but it's not arraignment. It's actually, we're doing a final, right?
Yep, adjourn to a final.
Okay. Do you want 1 or 2 weeks?
Can we do the October 19th date again?
Oh, yeah, that's right. You want that date. Yep, at 9:15.
Got it, thank you.
October 19th at 9:15. And Mr. Golden, that will be live in front of Judge Oakley.
So no Zoom calls, or is that I go
No,
down there?
Judge, you have to come here to the 34th District Court.
All right.
Okay?
Yep.
All right, we'll see you then. We'll send you notice.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
And then Mr. Nunley, do you have another one ready?
Well, I think that I need the judge for Ms. McWhorter.
Am I good, or do I?
You're good, Mr. Golden.
All right.
And
Thank
then
you
let me
guys. Have a
talk
good
to
day.
Miss Miss Kirkland.
Mr. Nunley on McWhorter, what are we doing?
Royce Nunley on behalf of the defendant. So I spoke with the prosecutor and she's charged with OWI and having like a weapon. And the prosecutors indicated that there's no police report or there's no discovery. So I think if I can maybe get a discovery order from the court and submit it directly to MSP, and if they confirm that they somehow don't have any video or they don't have a report, I don't see how they're going to bring a case for OWI. So I guess that's just, in long story short, that's just where we need to start. I just would like to get
All
an
right,
official
so I'm gonna
discovery
do an
order.
adjournment out to, why don't I give you till November the 2nd, which is my date? And then
Okay.
I'll sign something. If you don't have it by then, we'll go from there, okay?
Sounds great.
They don't have a
Michelle?
report, Royce. They just don't give it to us. They just write tickets and don't submit them for warrants, and then we don't have anything.
Well, that's fine. I mean, but the purpose of, I guess, from where I'm sitting of like an official discovery order is, that we've submitted an order. And then if
I agree. I think they should write
because
reports.
I have had 2 cases recently that I set for trial and I'm told.
Excuse me, people, I'm on the record. You can talk about your,
All right.
the case afterwards. Michelle,
Sure.
give me a date. I mean, it's November the 2nd. Give me a
At
time.
9:30.
November 2nd at 9:30. Okay,
And that's in front of Judge Green on Zoom.
got it.
All right, Ms. McWhorter, you're all set.
I thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Now,
Miss Kirkland.
Ms. Kirkland, yeah.
Good
Your Honor, I am here on Gregory,
Sorry.
and I don't know if you want me to, I'll wait.
Go ahead.
Yeah, no, I have paper discovery. I just need digital. So I'm just asking for an adjourned PCC and for the prosecutor to send over video.
Okay, Michelle, give her an adjourned date.
And Your Honor, just for the record, discovery what has been requested. I should have it hopefully soon.
So 1 week, 2 week, what do you want me to do?
1 week preferably, if that's okay with Ms. Bailey.
That's fine, that's fine. October the 5th, at what time, Michelle?
10 a.m.
At 10 a.m. with Judge Martin.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then do we have Miss Nelson on? I see Mr. Boyer. I don't think Miss Nelson's back yet.
And that's in front of Judge Martin, Miss Kirkland.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Mr. Scully, you're all set.
And Mr. Boyer, as soon as we get your attorney, we'll do it in just a minute.
Okay.
And Mr.
I'm sorry,
McWhorter,
I'm sorry, when's the next court date?
it was next week at 10 a.m.
Next week at 10 a.m.?
Correct. And that's with
All right.
Judge Martin.
And what time? What date?
10 a.m.
10 a.m. What date?
October 5th.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day, everybody.
Mr. Boyer, as soon as we get Miss Nelson, we'll do your case.
Okay.
We're just waiting for her she was already on this morning, so she'll be back in a few minutes, I'm sure.
Gotcha.
Michelle,
Yes, ma'am.
did we get a date on Darren Reed? I don't recall seeing Attorney Duncan.
We did, and I didn't write it down, but I have the file right here. He was here early.
Oh, okay.
We adjourned the PCC to October 12th at 8:45.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Hi, Sophia. Welcome back. So Mr. Boyer is here.
Yes, I
What are
see
we
that.
doing on his case?
We're doing an adjourned PCC.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't need a, yeah.
Yep, I'm all good. That's all you'd say. Does Bryn know you need discovery?
Yes, Bryn is going to give a CD to one of my colleagues today. Apparently the digital
Okay.
is so large.
Great. So 1 week, so October 5th at 10:15.
1 second, let me look. Can I have a breakout room with Mr. Boyer too?
Yeah. But is that date good for you or no?
October 5th, what time?
At 10:15, I can do 10:15, 10:30.
10:15 is fine.
Perfect. Okay, let me give you a breakout room. Angela, did you already speak to our clerk? Hey, Jane, you have somebody in your waiting room. Jane?